What are you gonna shoot it with?
Oh, I'm trying to shoot it with the shaft.
With what?
Well, I'm trying to shoot it with the shaft. The shaft.
Mr. Sheffield.
Hi! Welcome to the Shoulder Show. Right here is a Smith & Wesson Model 36, also known as the Chief Special. But for the Shoulder Show purposes, we'll call it the Chef Special. And here for comparison is a Taurus TCP. So you can see this is a pretty little feller right here, but approximately the same size. Now, you know, the Revolver's a lot thicker, but, and I don't know what year this was made. I'm gonna kind of make the assumption, just going by the serial numbers, that it's a early 1980s model. But I just picked this guy up at a pawn shop too. But see if Shane can do some focusing in. He's fixing to go take a trip to the gunsmith to get re-blued. Got a little rust, a lot of little scuffs, but he's not really that bad. Some barrel wear, some scuffs right there, a little barrel rust right there. And the ammo we're shooting is Ultramax, and this is remanufactured ammunition. And I actually like it. It's 158 grain semi-wad cutter. This stuff's about $17 a box. And you got some of this brass. It's just plain old regular brass. This is Federal. And then some of the other brass is this nickel coated brass.
It's kind of cool looking.
Just thought this was interesting ammunition. Bought it at Murph's gun shop for $17.99 a box. So it makes for pretty good plinking ammo. And this is a 5-round, and this is a 2-inch barrel.
This thing is small. I mean, I don't have huge hands, but I'm gonna try shooting it double action. See how it does. Let me try. Oh, that is a hair trigger. I'm out now, ain't I? I think I'm out now.
We're gonna show the trigger off on it real quick. Well, just so you guys know that we're not shooting ourselves. Empty. All right. So double action. It's a long pull, and it's not like crazy strong, but it breaks real clean right there. But single action, that's a hair trigger. I don't want to really call it a hair trigger, but that is a very crisp, no take up, just clean break trigger.
All right, so I've been told that it's not the correct way to get this thing and point it like that to shoot it. I've been told the correct way to shoot a snub-nose revolver is like this, is to hold it like this and just squeeze the trigger. There it goes. And you're not supposed to aim. That's not. This is what you're supposed to do. Like that plant. That's how you shoot it. Watch. I can actually hit the metal target just like this. thought I was gonna hit it. It felt like it was gonna happen.
I like shooting that little gun. Probably won't even hit it. Okay, I did.
Oh God! Ooh, that smells just like Dr. Pepper. I mean, root.
I'm going high. Click.
Boom!